If you're trying to build a channel, Google Ads and YouTube Promote are useless. Here are 7 reasons to save your money for something infinitely more useful. Number 1. Why? They bring views, not viewers. Google Ads can buy you views, but they can't buy you an audience. People who see your video as an ad didn't choose you. They didn't search for you. They didn't click you. They were forced to watch you for 5 seconds before they hit skip. That's not an audience. That's a hostage situation. And YouTube's algorithm knows the difference. You'll get some subs, that's simple math, but not because they're interested or will come back. Number 2, your watch time will tank. Ad-driven views almost always have low retention, low engagement, low watch time, and 0 loyalty. YouTube sees that and goes, oh, people don't actually like this video. Well, let's bury it. You literally pay money to send YouTube a negative signal. Number 3, the algorithm learns the wrong audience. When you promote a video, YouTube thinks, oh, you want to reach random people who don't care about your niche. Got it. I'll find more of those. Now, your future videos will then get pushed to the wrong demographic, people who will never click, never watch, and never subscribe. You're training the algorithm to misunderstand your channel. Number 4, you can't buy your way into the recommendation engine. YouTube's growth engine is suggested videos, browse, home feed, shorts feed. Ads don't help you get into any of those. You can't pay your way into the algorithm's heart. You have to earn it with content that people choose to watch. Here's number 5. It creates fake momentum. You see the numbers go up and think, yes, my channel is finally taking off. But the moment you stop paying, the views fall off a cliff. Because none of those viewers were real fans. They were just people trying to get through to the video they actually wanted to watch. Number 6. Instead of paying for fake views, you could invest in better thumbnails, better editing tools, better audio, better scripts, better storytelling, a course, or literally anything that improves the actual content. I'll leave you some links down in the description for some great tools and courses that I personally use to help me generate content and grow my channel. Content quality compounds. Ads do not. Number 7, YouTube already promotes good videos for free. If your video has a strong hook, good retention, clear value, and a clickable thumbnail, and a compelling title, YouTube will push it harder than you could ever do with ads. You don't need to pay for exposure. You need to pay attention to your craft. Google Ads aren't the villain. They're just in the wrong movie when it comes to YouTube growth. They're fantastic for businesses that need leads, sales, or website traffic because they target people who are actively searching for something. But for YouTube creators, they work against how the algorithm actually learns your audience. So, it's not that Google Ads are bad, they're just bad for YouTube videos. Use them for your business, your products, your services, not your channel. Google Ads for YouTube growth is like paying someone to laugh at your jokes. Sure, it feels good for 5 seconds, but deep down you know they're only here because you bribed them. If you found this video the old-fashioned way, let me know in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more, and click on this to check out more from Inbox Overload. Thanks for coming.